Hey everybody, welcome back to Zach Tech Reviews. This is the, I guess, official first of hopefully many vlog, rant, news, little bits that I'm going to do for you guys. I will always tell you what device I'm currently recording on. This time right now, I'm using the OnePlus 5T, and this is in 1080p. It does not have a 4K front camera here. It's either 720 or 1080p. So this is 1080p on the OnePlus 5T. So what I want to talk to you guys quickly about. So some people have asked me, what makes me qualified to be a tech reviewer and things like that. And I'm going to give you two answers here. Okay, two pieces. Number one, and I think this is the biggest one for anybody on YouTube, anybody that's writing articles on tech, vlogs, blogs, videos, whatever. I have a passion and a love for technology. From the youngest age, I was always into computers and the latest gadgets and things like that. I'm currently 38 years old, so I've been around all the way from the 386, 486 computers with a 14.4 modem, and then, oh my God, 56.6 to where we are today with gigabit internet and whatnot. So I have a passion and a love for technology. I'm always reading the latest blogs and videos, and watching some of the biggest tech YouTubers. Some of the YouTubers that give me a lot of inspiration are guys like MKBHD, MrMobile, Matthew, Moniz. So those are some of the guys that are some of the big inspiration. I know there's some of the bigger YouTubers. So number one, I got a passion for this stuff and I love it. Okay. Number two is my career. I'm actually my full-time job career right now is I am a sales account manager for a cellular accessories distributor here in Canada. I live in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. If you don't know where that is, pause the video now and check out and look up Calgary, Alberta, Canada, home of the Calgary Flames, the Calgary Stampeders in the CFL, and the 1988 Olympics, and of course the destination every summer for the greatest outdoor show on earth, the Calgary Stampede. So we got a few things going on here for us, and there's other things too. So but my full-time career, where I work, what I do right now is I take care of 2 provinces. I take care of different dealer types and brick and mortar stores and mom and pop shops and whatnot. And that's kind of how I got into doing Zach Tech Reviews. And I'll tell you guys more about that in the next vlog. But that is my full-time career, and you can see how that working for an accessories distributor crosses over into the type of tech and what you've seen reviewed on my channel. So I think that qualifies me. 1, my passion for the industry, for technology, and 2, it's what I do for regular income right now, and it's a great combination of things. I absolutely love what I do, hands-on with the technology, working with my customer base, finding solutions, and seeing how things are constantly evolving and changing in this industry. So that being said, in the next one, I'll tell you guys about how Zach Tech Reviews kind of came about. If you guys have any more questions or whatnot, if you have anything you want to ask, leave your questions down here in the comments section here. I'll be sure to follow up and let you guys know. Otherwise, if you guys like the video here, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.